Junior PSATs.
The SAT 1.
Chemistry, SAT 2.
Math 2.
SAT 2.
The bio SAT 2.
PSAT.
SAT 2.
Specialized high school.
Look at the results. I mean, I went up 240 points. That's incredible, you know? I mean, I don't think I would have been able to do that in any other environment.
I think they went up probably like each section about 100 points.
It's beyond the scores. All my kids are doing great at Columbia. You know, they're all doing great. And it's based, once again, on the skills that he taught them. He taught them how to be great students.
I saw my son before he started coming to Stuart, and then I saw him after. And the change was remarkable. Lee's demeanor changed a lot after his preparation with Stuart. He went into the SATs with the calm that Stuart brought to him. And that was a really important thing. He was excited, he was motivated, he sat down immediately and started doing the work.
And it's funny, so you're relaxed all the time and you're not nervous or anything.
And that was, I think, the best part about it. I actually learned a lot from him.
The confidence he's given me and all the new abilities that I feel I have after coming to him makes school just seem a lot less terrifying.
That he kept a calm in our home, so we could have as much of a calm as you can have during that 1.5-year period of preparation for college. Well, his high school had brought in one of those large tutoring services to actually run a class in his school after school, which I thought would be perfect because it was right on campus there. It was very easy. A bunch of his friends were going to be doing it with him, so I thought that that would work out really well.
Well, the test prep course was not very good. There's too many people. There's actual like 30 people in a class, and it was not. The teacher was not very good.
I actually did go to another SAT tutor before Stuart, and it was like in a classroom setting, not like this. It wasn't one-on-one, and it was horrible.
The practice tests were here at the studio. They were proctored by a man named Joel, and we each had our own separate desk, and it was timed, and it felt very much like the real test.
When I came to Stu Studio to take practice tests, even though it was 8:30 in the morning and I didn't really want to be there on a Saturday morning, I still was motivated to take the test because Stu had taught me this stuff and I wanted to try it out on the test.
On Saturday you take it, and then if he tutored my kids on Sunday, by the next day he had already scored them and identified what areas he needed to work in.
I think he's fantastic with kids. I think he really relates well with kids.
He just understands us completely.
He lets me stay here till I really understand everything, until I'm not confused anymore, and that's just been so great.
I mean, the great thing about Stuart is it's never boring.
He is the best, I'm sure, the best SAT prep resource, because it's more than a tutor. It's a resource that you will ever get, and it's worth every single penny.
Sure, Stu's my secret weapon.